Located in the serene and scenic Kuala Lumpur Lake Gardens, it is only 10 minutes drive away from the city centre of Kuala Lumpur. It is a must-visit destination for anyone who comes to Kuala Lumpur. One of KL Bird Park's most extraordinary feature is that in Zone 1, 2 and 3, birds are let free in the aviary, which closely resembles their natural habitat. With this free flight concept, birds are able to breed naturally in this unique environment. KL Bird Park is opened to visitors daily from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Okay, Kuala Lumpur Bird Park comes with a concept of free flying walk-in aviary, which most of the birds are free flying, especially those birds who are not dangerous. And then those exotic birds, we are putting them in the cage. Okay, and then this is where people can have a chance to get more interaction with the birds. So this is the concept which make a difference Kuala Lumpur Bird Park and other bird park. For more information, you can go on to our website at www.klbirdpark.com.my.
Experience the ambience of lush green tropical rainforests once you step into a free flight walk-in aviary. Reputed to be one of the largest in the world, this free flight walk-in aviary, comprising of Zone 1 and Zone 2 of the park, you will find various bird species flying freely and living together in harmony and balance, creating a unique ecosystem of its own in its semi-natural environment.
It is very nice. The birds are so amazing, and the best thing is that they are open. They are kept open. In India, we cannot find this kind of structure.
Amphitheatre is where we had our bird show. We had twice a day, which is at 12:30 and 3:30 every day. And then during the bird show, we have birds doing their activities. This amphitheatre is located at the Zone 4 of this KL Bird Park.
And this would be the best bird park I've been to in the world too. Australia's got bird parks, but not as good as this. Yeah.
Watch how chicken and duck eggs are incubated artificially using incubators, and learn on the many aspects of egg incubation when you step into our new nursery located in Zone 4 of KL Bird Park. If you are lucky enough, you might have the chance to witness with your very own eyes the real-life hatching of adorable chicks and ducklings.
For breeding program, in KL Bird Park, we trying to make as natural as we can. We had this breeding program, okay, whereby we let the birds making it natural, whereby they develop their own nest, alright. But some of the birds, those which is endangered bird, we actually breed. We have our vet who monitoring the breeding program.
Feeding shows start from as early as 9:30 a.m. daily and occur at scheduled intervals throughout the day, with the last one at 5 p.m. Daily highlights on Zone 4 are the feeding of ostrich and lorry. At Zone 4, there is a spectacular feeding show at the amphitheatre twice daily.
Hari ni saya datang ke KL Bird Park untuk bawa anak-anak saya jalan, and they look like excited because tak pernah tengok burung secara live. Yang ada pun setakat burung dekat rumah, burung yang berterbangan tu je. I think this is a very good park untuk expose anak-anak tentang burung, macam mana ayam menetas, you know.
I find it extraordinary. Lots of birds around. Yeah, amazing trip. I enjoyed the Hornbill Park thing, where I saw the hornbill eat rats and small chickens.
Okay, apart from getting visitors from outside of Malaysia and also as well as local, we also offer some of the packages. Okay, basically for birthday party, we are giving a special package for our customer whereby they can actually enjoy their birthday party, and then at the same time they will get an additional program, which is they can also get a tour in the park, whereby it will be a guided tour by our park ranger. Okay, and then for school package, we have a group of minimum of 15 students, 15 people in a group, so where they can actually enjoy a special discounted rate.
We chose Bird Park because I felt it was very close to nature. You can see the birds are just so near, and everything is designed in such a way that it's very close to the birds' natural habitat. So I felt this was a really good learning experience for the students, and I think you can see that on their faces. Thank you.
Don't miss the chance to get a closer look at some of the rare and even critically endangered parrot species such as the Pasco's parrot, which is also popularly known as the vulturine parrot and can only be found in Papua New Guinea. Moluccan cockatoo, which is endemic to the Seram Island in Indonesia and now critically endangered due to illegal trapping and habitat destruction. And the adorable Congo African grey parrots, which are widely known to be the most intelligent parrot species.
Yeah, I love the bird park. It's one of the best in the world, and because it's such a nice environment and there's so many fantastic birds to see, like the hornbill and so on. Yeah, terima kasih.
Before the end of your visit, do drop by at our Hornbill Gift Shop, Zone 3, or Peacock Gift Shop, Main Entrance, offering a wide selection of unique souvenirs and KL Bird Park's exclusive merchandise as a memento of an exciting adventure to remember. Every purchase you make helps to sustain the survival of the birds and various conservation and educational programs of KL Bird Park. Thank you for your sincere and continuous support.
To those who have not experienced our beautiful and green park, I would suggest you to come and experience this beautiful park. And for those who have been here, perhaps you can also get your friends and even your family members to come and join you to experience this lovely park.